I'm going to show you how to fix this Hisense TV with model number 65H9G. And a couple of the common problems we see is the screen will turn itself off and back on intermittently. Sometimes the TV will completely shut itself off and not power back on. In those scenarios, it will often say that the storage is full. So right now the screen is coming in and out, and this is one of the common problems we're going to be fixing. If I adjust the volume is showing up. Let's go back to home. The home button is non-responsive, so I can't get anything on screen for that. Let me try to change inputs. I cannot change inputs. Let me try the volume again. So the volume is showing up, but I cannot change inputs. I cannot go back to the home screen. Let's open up the TV and find out what's causing this. We're going to start by removing the perimeter screws, which are all machine screws. Next, we have our 4 wall mount screws. And finally, our mainboard screws. And we've now exposed our circuit boards. We have our power supply, our LED driver board, and our main board. We're going to be focusing primarily on the main board because that is the board with our memory IC. So let's remove it and take a closer look at our workbench. We're going to remove the shroud first, then our clips. And we have some latch mechanisms, so we flip the latch up, and then we can remove the ribbons. And then we can remove the screws. Before we begin our repairs, if you found the video helpful or useful so far, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more content. The memory chip that the TV claims is out of memory is going to be located under this heatsink. So let's remove it so we can take a closer look at it. We have our processor over here, and just over to the right, SK Hynix, and that's going to be our emmc. We've already pre-programmed a new emmc chip, so let's remove this one so that we can go ahead and install our replacement. But to do that, we will have to use our rework machine. We're going to use our Easy JTAG Plus to check the life of the chip. It looks like we have a warning. Health report is very bad. 60 to 70% of the device lifetime used. It is urgent that we replace this chip. So let's do that next. If you're interested in sending in your main board for us to fix, we will have a flat rate service that will be linked in the description down below to our website. And we always do a 1-year warranty with all of our repairs. We've reinstalled the main board back into the TV set, and it has been running for some time without any issues now with the new emmc chip. This does conclude our repairs. If you found the video helpful or useful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and thank you for watching.